Efforts are underway to start charter flights, and these might start through an air bubble or from point to point. But we have no idea when they would start, Daboli Airport Director Gagan Malik said on Wednesday. He also said that they had received requests for 350 slots from various airlines from Russia and UK. However, TTAG former President Savio Messias said that UK would resume flights after the 19th of December. We are in the middle of October and this is the time when charters normally start coming to Goa. But due to the coronavirus pandemic, the charters have come to a standstill. Gagan Malik said a plan of charters had not been formed and all commercial international flights are closed as of now. The government of India and governments of foreign countries would decide when to resume operations.
जहाँ तक बात इन इंटरनेशनल ऑपरेशंस की चल रही है चार्टर्स को लेकर, तो जैसी जानकारी मुझे प्राप्त हुई है उसमें प्रयास ये किया जा रहा है कि ये फ़्लाइट्स को एयर बबल के फॉर्म में ऑपरेट किया जाए, मतलब पॉइंट टू पॉइंट वो फ़्लाइट्स ऑपरेट हों। लेकिन इस पर भी सब निर्णय भारत सरकार के द्वारा लिए जाना है। कि हमारे पास करीब 350 स्लॉट्स की रिक्वेस्ट आई थी डिफरेंट एयरलाइंस की, रशिया से और TUI से और UK से। वो स्लॉट्स हमने एग्री करके रिकमेंड करके भेज दिए हैं ऑलरेडी। तो मुख्य मुद्दा सिर्फ ये है कि ये ऑपरेशंस शुरू कब होंगे।
Malik said that the airport is operating at 30% capacity with domestic flights.
डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट में तो बहुत चेंज आ गया है पहले से। हम ऑलमोस्ट अपनी 30% कैपेसिटी के आसपास हो गए हैं और संडे के दिन तो हमारे पास 29 से 30 फ्लाइट होती हैं, तो हम 33-34% कैपेसिटी पर रन करते हैं उन दिनों में हम। और पैसेंजर इनफ्लो बहुत अच्छा है। ये एक बड़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो ये इंडिकेट करता है कि टूरिस्ट गोवा में आ रहा है, रेगुलरली आ रहा है। और जो लॉन्ग वीकेंड्स हैं, जैसे 2 अक्टूबर वाला वीकेंड था उसमें तो इनकमिंग पैसेंजर आई थिंक मोर देन 4000 था पर डे के हिसाब से, और आउटगोइंग पैसेंजर हमारा उन दिनों बहुत कम था। अभी भी अगर हम मोटा मोटा देखते हैं तो हमारा आउटगोइंग पैसेंजर कम रहता है। टूरिस्ट गोवा में आ रहा है और जो हमारे पास जानकारी उपलब्ध है, जो अभी विंटर शेड्यूल है जो 26 अक्टूबर से चालू होगा, उसमें करीब 8 से 10 फ्लाइट्स और आएंगी।
Former TTAG President Savio Messias said that they had written to both centre and state governments to give special consideration to Goa in terms of starting charter flights.
We have got news that the airports will be opened up maybe only in December. The British charter flights have cancelled all flights till 19th December. After that, they will decide only once the government announces its policy. We have made many representations to the Chief Minister as well as also to the Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, asking to have some special consideration for Goa. Because these are charter flights, these are not like the other international flights. Now, other international flights consist of international business passengers as well as holiday goers, as well as sometimes Goans or Indians travelling to the country. But charter flights are only holiday makers and nobody else travels on the charter flights. So now if somebody wants to plan on a holiday, they have to plan months in advance. And they have to book the hotel, book the flight. No, unless the government announces when they are opening the airport, then only bookings will start. There are many other countries which are offering a lot of facilities. Thailand is offering a lot of facilities. Egypt is opening up. Many other countries are opening up. So people will definitely go to the other countries for a holiday, and we will be the losers. So something has to be done quickly. At least what we are saying is announce the date and open up.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.